Ever notice how some of your indoor plants look miserable even when they're right next to a sunny window? Get this, not every plant wants the spotlight. Some are total drama queens about direct sun. Let's talk about 7 popular houseplants that actually suffer on the windowsill and why that perfect sunny spot might secretly be roasting them alive. First up, the stunning Calathea. With those broad painted leaves, it looks like it belongs under a spotlight, but it's a total diva. Stick it right in front of a sunny window and you'll soon get faded colors and crispy brown edges. The sun literally bleaches the pattern off its leaves. Keep it a few feet back where the light is soft and filtered, and it turns into the lush tropical showpiece you thought you bought. The graceful peace lily, on the other hand, is a low-light lover. Give it direct sun and it sulks, droopy leaves, fewer blooms, and soil that dries out non-stop. This one wants calm, not glare. A shady corner or a window with sheer curtains is its spa treatment. Then there's snake plant. It has a tough reputation, but even this survivor has limits. Strong sun beaming straight through the glass can burn or yellow its tall striped leaves. Let it live near the light, not in it. Bright indirect light keeps it upright, glossy, and effortlessly cool. Pothos is the adaptable overachiever of houseplants, but yes, it can also get too much of a good thing. Too much sun washes out its gorgeous variegation. Too little turns it long, spindly, and pale. Aim for a bright corner with gentle filtered light. An east-facing window nearby is basically its sweet spot. The deep glossy leaves of the ZZ plant are nature's hint. Please don't bake me. It thrives in shade and lower light, and it's perfectly happy in offices or darker rooms. Put it in full sun and you'll eventually see faded foliage and sluggish growth. This plant proves you can glow without sitting in the front row. English ivy may look tough and romantic, but it's actually a bit delicate about light. Direct sun can scorch its dainty leaves, leaving them dry and crunchy. It prefers a cool area with medium light. Try it in a hanging basket away from the window glare so its vines can trail without getting fried. And then we have the heartbreaker, maidenhair fern. Soft, airy, and fairy-like, and ridiculously sensitive. Direct sun makes those feathery fronds brown and crisp in no time. It craves humidity, moisture, and shade. Bathrooms or kitchens with soft diffused light are perfect. Give it a spot a few feet back from the window, and it'll stay green, fluffy, and alive. So no, the window seat isn't every plant's dream home. Some crave the shadows, the cool, and the quiet. Shift these sun-sensitive plants out of the harsh rays and watch them reward you with fresh growth, richer color, and way fewer crispy leaves. If this helped you decode your plant's secret preferences, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next plant confession.